Despite their beauty, not all life was balanced. The jumping spiders were having trouble finding food as the ants were taking over. Inside their nest, an army was forming. I needed to stop them. It was time to introduce a new predator. Here is a group of scorpions, and not just any scorpion. These are wood scorpions. They have powerful claws and a venomous sting. So, it was time to add them into the tank. I carefully lowered them into the undergrowth. Most of the scorpions decided to take shelter.